Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy Italian pesto recipe. Start with the freshest ingredients for authentic pesto. You'll need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of grated Pecorino Romano cheese, and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Toasting the pine nuts lightly in a dry pan for about 3 to 5 minutes brings out their nutty essence, making a significant difference in the final flavor. Now let's get blending. In a food processor, combine your fresh basil leaves, the lightly toasted pine nuts, and the 2 peeled garlic cloves. Pulse these ingredients together until they are finely chopped. Avoid overprocessing at this stage. We want a slightly coarse texture, not a smooth paste just yet. This initial blend ensures all the solid ingredients are well incorporated before adding the liquids. Next, it's time for the cheeses. Add the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan and the 2 tablespoons of grated Pecorino Romano to your food processor. Pulse just a few times until the cheeses are incorporated. Overmixing can make the pesto too warm and affect its vibrant green color. Finally, season with a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Remember, the cheeses already add some saltiness. Your delicious homemade pesto is now ready to enjoy. To store it, transfer the pesto to an airtight container and pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the top. This helps prevent oxidation and keeps it fresh. It will last for about 5 to 7 days in the refrigerator or up to 3 months in the freezer. Pesto is incredibly versatile, perfect with pasta, as a sandwich spread, or even as a flavorful dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.